Beloperone plant. Hello friends, welcome to your channel name. Today we're going to talk about the Beloperone plant, also known as the shrimp plant. This beautiful and unique plant, with its distinctive flowers, can add a charming touch to any space. So join me as we learn more about this amazing plant. Introduction to the Beloperone plant. Beloperone, scientifically known as Beloperone guttata, is a plant from the Acanthaceae family. This plant is famous for its colorful flowers and unique shape, which is why it's also called the shrimp plant. Beloperone is native to the tropical regions of Central and South America and is quite popular as a houseplant and greenhouse plant. Cool and dry air provides the best environment for the longevity of the bracts. The plant is in bloom throughout the year except in winter when it needs a winter rest. It belongs to the Acanthaceae family. Physical characteristics. The leaves of the Beloperone are dark green and oval-shaped. The flowers of this plant are clustered and come in various colors, including yellow, red, and orange. The flowers resemble small shrimp, which is why the plant is named the shrimp plant. The Beloperone can grow up to about 1 meter in height and about 60 centimeters in width. Care requirements. Light. Beloperone needs plenty of indirect light. The best place for this plant is near a window with abundant light. Watering. This plant likes moist soil but should not be waterlogged. It's best to let the soil surface dry out between waterings. Temperature. Beloperone prefers moderate temperatures. A range between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius is ideal for this plant. Humidity. This plant requires relative humidity. You can maintain the necessary humidity by misting the leaves. Soil. Rich, well-draining soil is suitable for Beloperone. You can use a mix of garden soil and perlite. Feeding. Start feeding the plant with liquid or water-soluble fertilizer every 3 weeks from the beginning of blooming until the end of summer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions, but use half the recommended amount. Potting. In early summer, prune the long and misaligned branches and repot the plant into a slightly larger pot. In subsequent years, there is no need for repotting. Instead, replace the top layer of soil with fresh, nutrient-rich soil. Cleaning the leaves. There is no need to clean the leaves. Misting is sufficient. Do not use leaf shine products. Remove the dry, scale-like bracts around the flowers. Propagation of the Beloperone plant. You can propagate Beloperone through cuttings. Here's how. Take a cutting about 10 to 15 centimeters long from the plant stem. 2. Remove the lower leaves of the cutting. 3. Place the cutting in a small pot with moist soil. 4. Put the pot in a warm, bright place but not in direct sunlight until the roots form. Problems and diseases. Yellowing leaves. This issue can be due to overwatering or lack of light. Pests. Watch out for common pests like aphids and spider mites. If you notice them, use plant-friendly insecticides or natural methods like washing the leaves with water and soap. The plant's branches are long and misaligned. The air is too warm and the plant needs pruning. Move the plant to a cooler location and prune the branches. The bracts of the shrimp plant are pale. In summer, this is due to a lack of light. In winter, it may be due to warm air. Check the conditions and adjust the environment accordingly. The leaves of the Beloperone plant are deformed, and sticky substances with insects are observed on them. Spray the plant with the insecticide Confidor according to the instructions for 4 weeks. The leaves are turning yellow. Overwatering has caused the soil to become waterlogged. Check the drainage and allow the topsoil to dry out completely before the next watering. Never let excess water remain in the pots. The flowers of the shrimp plant are falling off. This is completely natural. The flowers last only a week, but the bracts have a longer lifespan. The bracts or scales on the Beloperone flowers are turning black. This damage is due to misting. Do not mist when the bracts appear. Provide humidity by adding water to a pebble tray under the pot. Remove the damaged bracts. The leaves turn black after cleaning. This is caused by the use of chemical leaf shine products. Do not use them. Clean the leaves with misting instead. The leaves are yellow and the undersides are covered with spider webs. This is caused by the red spider mite. Spray the plant with the miticide abamectin every 2 weeks, according to the instructions, until the symptoms disappear. Be careful with the bracts and maintain humidity to help reduce the infestation. The leaves are pale. The plant is suffering from a lack of nutrients in the soil. Feed the plant every 3 weeks from the appearance of buds until the end of summer with artificial fertilizers like 202-020, 202-020, or 361212, according to the instructions. The leaves of the shrimp plant are falling off in summer. The plant is thirsty. Keep the soil surface always moist in summer, but do not let the soil become waterlogged. If this happens in winter, it is due to cold air. Move the plant to a warmer location. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or experiences with taking care of the Beloperone plant, please share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our next videos. Until next time, take care.